Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2016 Mini Cooper John Cooper Works. This thing's an absolute riot. Here we go.
Sorry, when you start it?
It's already on.
Right, oh, we left it on the whole time?
Yeah.
Sorry, I fucked up the video. Sorry, 'cause I was gonna say, you
don't
press this button and do this.
I don't care. That's Ben, the owner.
Sorry.
Hey, that car looks familiar. Alright, where's the mod sheets? Ah! Second owner, currently has 37,000 miles. 2.0 inline 4 BMW engine with 230 horsepower. So we added the racing stripes, the rally LED lights, the floor mats, which are sweet, Brembo front calipers, R888R tires, nice, and the John Cooper Works Pro muffler bypass. Stay. That thing's so loud. And yes, the R888Rs are extremely noisy on the street. But they work very well. And yes, he has camping stuff on the back, so don't worry about rattles. It's not the car falling apart, or at least I hope it isn't. That thing looks awesome. Get a little bit of distance. This does have auto rev match downshifts. This thing is a riot. I've test driven JCWs before. This is my first time actually driving one. This one's nowhere near stock. And of course, with the R888Rs, I mean, it's just, it's a missile. Oh my god, that thing's awesome. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.